And we're live, guys. Hello, guys. My name is CryptoSteph, and welcome to this live stream that we'll be doing about drakdoo and how to profit from this application, which is very powerful and very efficient in finding oversold and overbought conditions. It seems like TradingView, but with much more resources and much more indicators and patterns to profit from the market. So as you can see, here is the drakdoo application. Currently, I can tell you that this is my 7-week trading, and I have lost some, I have gained some, but the current application is that I'm in profit $227 with the application with the drakdoo application. So here is the drakdoo application. As you can see, you have the market, the charts, the book, and the alerts. You cannot trade with this application. You can only just see the charts and the alerts. Like you can see like this PSAR bearish on the 4-hour chart, and you can also see the indicators which I use, the ATR, the MFI, and the stochastic, and the awesome oscillator. My alerts are MFI divergence on the 15 minutes, RSI divergence, 1 week RSI divergence. I don't use anymore Ichimoku cloud, inside bar on the 1 hour, inside bar on the 1 hour, 3-day, long term, and MFI and parabolic ACR, and some alerts. So as you can see, you can also make an alert. You can make a positive or negative, and the closing price, and you can make, there is some conditions like you can use to define the trend, like price, closing price of the 1 hour. Let's say you want to be above the EMA 200, or maybe okay, the 200 or the 99 which the Binance uses, and you can use the MFI for oversold bounces. I think the MFI is better because it gives you more, it gives you a combination of the volume and the RSI in one go. And this is the condition, and it will alert me, and we will say oversold on 200 EMA. And you can use on multiple exchanges: Binance, Bitfinex, Bitflyer, Bithumb, BitMEX, Bittrex, and many more. I'm thinking that the guy who is on Telegram, how do you say, number juggler, he has a Telegram group, drakdoo users, and it's not sponsored by him or anyone else. It is just me helping you guys profit from the market. So that's for drakdoo. Also, you have MACD crossovers, every possible thing you have. You have Bollinger Bands, you have candlestick patterns. This is interesting if you are a trader of the candlestick patterns. You have commodities, CC, DMI, divergences, Ichimoku cloud, long-term support, MACD, crossovers, MFI, and the list is going and going. So you can create your own alert based on some conditions that you can go and see for yourself. and you can see my log is full with alerts, trend change on the 15 minutes if I want to scalp, on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour. So here we can test some of the alerts, let's say from yesterday. So the alert for this is that gives me short. So let's see the short. So here is the short here based on the MFI, and as you can see, if you took this short, you're 1.7% in gain. It's not perfect because the alerts sometimes are going to be late, or if you're in sleep you cannot trade it with this. So let's see other, which is also great. So this strategy, breakout strategy, is also great. So as you can see, it gave me here an alert, and if you long from here, you're in profit 1%. But you can see 1% in with leverage, with 15% leverage, that's 50% leverage, 50% gain. And the list goes on, and I won't bother you anymore. And if you have any questions about the alerts, I will put this put link in the description about how to trade with alerts. And that's for drakdoo. And let's see the crypto markets. So the crypto markets are in full bullish mode. I bought Ethereum at, let's see, at 170 or 80 something dollars, and now the price is 220, 212. EOS I bought with BTC pair, LTC, XLM. XLM, let's see which is the price. So currently I'm in a loss, and on XLM. Neo, that's on BTC pair. BAT also on BTC pair. IOTA and Raven coin. So Raven BTC is going on a tear. So as you can see on the crypto markets, so BTC at the moment is full bullish mode, and my target for BTC is 10,300. What bothers me is this little bearish divergence, but as you can see, the MFI is going up. So that's a positive sign for the bulls right now. Some shitcoin which pumped today is some VRX. So look, it's a new coin that was added on Binance, and it pumped like crazy. So here is your, how much gain? 580% gain. I don't know what happened to this coin or what it is, but if you bought somewhere here, it's very risky, but the reward is 500%. Very nice. I'm bullish on the crypto markets as a whole, and my current holdings, as I said, is Raven, which is making, I'm selling on the 373 Satoshi, and currently is making some kind of bearish bet. So Batman loves bearish bets, and for this the target for this bearish bet is the 382 from the C leg. So here you go, here's your target if you want to short this. But I will sell in front of you. Cancel, because I'm thinking that there is no, no point in holding so much more. And let's profit. So I bought it at this low, and right now if I sell, I have a profit of 13% gain, 13 to 14% gain. So with I invested 0.0318 Bitcoin, that's like how much, 200 300 dollars, and my risk was 10%, so that's why it's so low on my position. Also that's I haven't I don't know why Zets is doing something like this. So my current long position on Zets is that it will go to this point, $74. And if I took this long position from where I put it, 69.3. So currently in a loss, 69.37. Okay, so target 6-7%, and my stop probably. So how much is 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio? Not great. Risk to reward. Let's see on the 12-hour. Yeah, the fractal is there. So if this is the final wave, I'm screwed. So my target for this is $74 but I don't see this as continuation. On the 12-hour, this is a bearish candle, because if this closes like this is a shooting star candle, and when you have a shooting star candle and after that is a bearish, then there is a sign of bearish continuation. So on the crypto markets, IOTA also has a I'm also in a loss on IOTA, but I don't have some kind of great position on this, and currently I'm seeing this as a falling wedge, but yeah, so we have a bullish divergence, but look at this, we have also on the MFI, not there is no clear trend right now, or there is a consolidation, because after that I'm thinking that it will go here. So for IOTA, I'm long from 3512 from here somewhere, and my stop is there, and my here is my stop. So if it breaks below this, I'm selling IOTA and going to somewhere else. And let's see what Raven coin has done. Raven currently is on tear. Raven USD also on tear. And my current strategy is just with the fractal strategy. And what is the fractals? You can Google and research. So those dots right there, those down triangles, are the dots which tell you when to buy and when to sell. So here is your let's say you bought from here, you put a buy stop here, and from there you're currently in 70% gain. So fractals are great for trading strategy, and that's what I'm seeing on the charts. And also TRX, who's holding TRX? I'm thinking that this TRX coin is also in bull mode. Let's see on the weekly. So on the weekly you have some kind of probably a higher low and then a continuation, but currently it's driven by some market news. I don't know why. and it's testing the 200 daily resistance, which is also not great, but if it closes above, then probably it will test this zone. So let's see if we can trade this. Yeah, we can trade it. Why not? So here's my buy, and my stop is where it is. So stop. Okay, so here you how you calculate your risk. So my risk is 15%, $50 divided by 0.098. So I will buy at 229, and I will risk, how much is that in Bitcoin? 150, let's say $160 divided by 980,000, 0.01, 0.01, and I will add if it goes here, and how much was that? 0.0163, 63. So if this goes 20%, I will gain $30 probably, and I will lose 60 if it drops right to there. So that's for TRX BTC. I'm trading with you guys and want to profit, and here is some signal on that there is on XRP on the 50 minutes. On the 50 minute I also have bought XRP from this low, and I'm not holding XRP. So let's see on the 15 minutes what alert has given us. So on the 15 minutes it's let's see, it's probably head and shoulders, and if you took this trade your target is right there. So yeah, not great for XRP BTC, but also you can trade this if this fractal is broken. So you want to see a higher low, you see a higher low, and you want to see this fractal broken, and then you can add a long to probably something like this. So if this is broken, your target is there and your stop loss is right there. And that's for XRP, but I don't see any bullish signs so on this 15 minutes chart if you're scalping, because Bitcoin is pumping, and when Bitcoin is pumping, everything else with BTC pair is dumping. Like look at ETC BTC. So ETC BTC, ETC BTC double top, and currently if you're trading fractals, here is your exit, because this fractal is broken and it will probably go lower on the ETC BTC. So ETC BTC short some other coin dash Zets. What is Zets doing? So Zets currently was added on Binance Futures, and if it breaks this fractal, probably it's going lower. So on when you trade some shit coins, you want to buy it from here when you see some kind of let's see on the ATR, when you see some lower volatility, because when you want to see low volatility, here there is high volatility, and look at this, no volatility, no volatility, and when there is low volatility you have a breakout. Price wants to be goes from low volatility to high volatility. So right now it's high volatility and probably will going it This is not alien waves or not. It's nothing great to trade the pairs. But when you see some kind of let's say like Raven coin BTC, so when you see some Raven coin BTC, when you see some kind of this is a great bear trap. So who shorted this, he's in some trouble. You want to see a bullish candle and a higher low, so probably this is a higher low, and probably this is going to retest this high at 1272. So if let's remove all the drawing tools, so if this is a bet, and you want to buy this, you will put bits here. So let's put bits here, 335, and let's calculate where we're going to sell. So where was the 1272? So if this is not a bet, it will probably be some kind of butterfly or crab. So here is your crab or a butterfly, 1618. So here is your crab or a butterfly or what else? No, this is a crab. So here is your bearish crab target, 428. But that's right now in a realm of possibility. So let's put a long position from right there. My target will be right there, and my stop probably will be this low. So you know how to do it. So 15% divided by 0.068, or how much was it? 6.25. My risk is $240. $240 divided by 9,800. That's how much I will risk. 0.244. So let's put 0.224 on the 336, and my target will be right there. And confirm, and that's my trade for Raven coin. And as you can see, I'm in profit. I was in profit from 27 to 0.31. So I bought here and sold that. And I'm thinking that probably it will make some kind of probably to buy also. So let's put another buy order 346, 0.024, and one of them will be built from a borrow. Okay. And that's for how to trade with leverage. Other positions, XLM. Let's see XLM. What is the XLM BTC? Currently, it's in consolidation mode. 2 indecision candles, and as you can see, a bullish falling wedge, and the target was done. So how you want to trade this? You want to trade this with, you want to trade when this fractal is broken. So fractal trading, you can put a fractal, Williams fractals, and also you can use the alligator. The Williams alligator will give you a great buy signal. So you see those are more faster than the Williams alligator, but if you're trading this, you want to buy when the price crosses above this fractal, and if you wanted to trade this, you will buy when this fractal is broken. So here is your buy, and your target probably and exit will be somewhere here. No, here. because you have a down fractal. So if you bought this, let's say from there, you have 30% gain. Or if you're smarter, there was a bearish divergence and you will sell it. So that's why drakdoo is best, because you can put a bearish divergence on the stock RSI, and that's your sell signal you exit. And you don't buy when it's very oversold like this. You want to buy when let's say you put a trend line here and here is your buy. So if you bought this from this, you will be in loss, but after that there was a pump on the XLM. So currently on my XLM, as you can see, my stop is 76687, because I think that if it falls below that, it's game over for XLM. And my target is 7.6. So my average price for this is 712 BTC, and my target is there, and my stop is probably 687. So somewhere here below this support, I'm thinking that if it falls, then it's game over for XLM. But if you look at this on the weekly, currently it's retesting the 21 weekly EMA. So XLM, probably some kind of bullish divergence on the awesome oscillator and a weekly bull cross. So on XLM, I'm long. Any other suggestions? If you don't have any suggestions, I'm going to see LTC. Also, I have posted a trading signal on this coin. So on LTC, if you want to buy this, you have a long signal, and probably it will retest this zone of supply, also the 236, and that's my trading for LTC. And LTC, it's in some kind of consolidation on the daily, bearish crossover, but no bearish divergence yet. Probably this, yeah. So there is some kind of bearish divergence, but the alligator is telling me that there is bullish continuation, also this crossover. So that's the crypto markets. Crypto markets is in full bull mode. Only concern is that BTC was having some kind of bearish divergence on the daily chart. So on the MACD you have some kind of bearish divergence, and also the awesome oscillator. But on the daily, as you can see, you have a fractal break, and here is your daily. So currently, if you want to short this, you want to see break of this low. So if it breaks 9,800, 9,080, you go short, and also there is some bullish crossover. On the BTC, if this was a falling wedge and you trade this, this is BTC USD. No, doesn't matter. So the target for this is probably this high, 11,530. But maybe there will be some resistance on the 0.5. So probably somewhere here there will be some short sellers who will sell this this BTC pair, because that's the first target. And also, if you want to be mega bullish on the weekly, you want to see a fractal break of 10,400. And also there is some kind of bullish crossover on the weekly. So that's for the BTC. Currently you want to buy TRX, Raven, BTC, IOST, Matic. So there are so many coins to buy, and on the BTC pairs, like look, 150% gain. Some coin OGN. Let's see this coin OGN. So okay, I see why 150%. So this is the weekly. You have a bullish candlestick and probably going to retest this. So who bought this? You're a genius. And you have currently a green bullish candle. So on the weekly you have some kind of cup and handle probably. Yeah. So you will, if you want to buy this, probably the best buy zone is right here or right there. So you can dollar cost average, and probably your next target will be here. And if you want to go long on this shitcoin, so let's say from there, here is your sell. So 1 to 2, it's a high stop, so you want to see a higher low and then a continuation. So I don't have any on any balance on spot price, but it's a good trade or if this is a continuation. So here is your trade for some shitcoin. Also there is some yeah, so here's my alerts on BTC. So BTC currently retesting this high on the 1 hour. It's giving me that, yeah. So there is, so if this wants to continue, it needs to hold this 2620. But as you can see, why didn't, fuck, haha, why it didn't get me filled, huh? Fuck. So I had 280 and it didn't get me filled. That's shitty. Why? Why? Doesn't matter. So at BTC currently some kind in bullish posture. So on the daily you have a long and testing the 200 on the daily, and here is your distribution pattern. So here was your sell signal to, and where did I bought bet? So bet BTC 25860, and on the daily it's not oversold, so it overbought, so it has some bullish continuation. But I'm thinking this will happen to this coin. So this is the most bearish coin I have seen. 25860. So how much gain I had? Fuck, for one Satoshi, bitch. I didn't get filled. This is shit. This is shit. And that's what I have to say. This was my trades. And on the bad BTC, I'm angry because I didn't get filled. And that's for today, guys. I will be going. I have a meeting to meet some potential investor who wants to buy some coins and trade with him. So that's for today's stream. I hope you're doing well. I hope you like this stream, and I showed you how to profit on with the drakdoo alerts, and you can use drakdoo on this BlueStacks emulator, which is an Android emulator. You can also follow me on Discord. I will put a link on my Discord right now. Discord. If you have any questions on my Discord chat, so on my Discord, let's put invite, create invite, edit link. Here's my Discord chat. You can follow me on and ask me any questions, or if you want, you can follow my group. And that's for today. I hope you like my stream. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for all following me and giving me likes. I hope you like it, and see you next time. Bye.